If you're someone who's looking to build muscle naturally, then you need to incorporate these next 5 foods which will help assist in maximizing muscle growth.
Exchange for gains.
When trying to build muscle, nutrition and training go hand in hand in terms of the level of importance. However, the following 5 foods is what I've eaten on a consistent basis, which has not only enabled me to build muscle, but it's also enabled me to stay lean all year round. So without further ado, let's dive into food number 1, which is chicken breast. Chicken breast consists of mostly protein, which is a key micronutrient when it comes to building muscle. With it being able to be cooked in a variety of ways, chicken breast can be served with the likes of vegetables, sweet potato, brown rice, and many more. For me personally, I like to cook my chicken breast within an air fryer. It reduces the amount of oil which I would usually use, for example, if I'm cooking my meat in, say, a pan or in the oven. It's also a great substitute for those people who don't eat red meat, and it strengthens and increases bone density. For a lot of us, chicken breast is deemed as dry and boring. However, there are so many recipes online which include chicken breast, which not only brings out the moist, but is also very much flavourable taste. So moving on to food number 2, which is lean minced beef. Lean minced beef is another high quality source of protein which I would tend to have a good 4 to 5 times per month. Packed with vitamins and minerals, minced beef is an ingredient which helped me not only grow muscle, but helped me maintain it for a longer period of time. Personally, I tend to go for the 5% fat options, and I would serve that with some veggies and along with a low starchy carb. It tastes good, very simple to make, and can be served with almost everything. If you haven't tried it already, I would highly recommend you go for some lean minced beef in a low calorie sauce. Serve that with some veg and some avocado, and it tastes absolutely banging. Depending on how you like your mince cooked, I tend to put a little bit of seasoning in mine anyway. So I would literally have, say, some lean minced beef, vegetables, again, smashed, it's entirely up to you, smashed or cut avocado with a drink. Absolutely amazing. Highly recommended, lean minced beef. Swiftly moving on to food number 3, which is quinoa. Quinoa for me was an alternative and a healthier option to rice. When trying to build muscle, I wanted a carb that was fairly light, but was literally packed with nutrients. Quinoa is packed with protein, high in fibre, it's gluten-free, and for me it was easy to incorporate within my meals. Literally when serving, I'd have, say, half a cup of quinoa, serve that with some chicken and some salad, and that would last me a good 4 or 5 hours until my next meal. It tastes absolutely banging, it's filling, and not only that, it's easy to make in terms of meal prep. So if you haven't tried it, give it a try. That's my tip number 3 in terms of building muscle, quinoa. By the way, my people, if you're new to my channel or if you're an existing person who's come back to revisit the videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Not only does it help the channel out, but it helps the channel in terms of getting exposure and out there in terms of the algorithm. So if you have not hit that, literally have not hit that subscribe button, ensure you subscribe it after you've watched the full video. Key food number 4 when it comes to building muscle, salmon. Salmon, being known as a healthy fatty fish, is probably one of the most nutritious foods out there. Not only does it contain omega-3 acids, which assist in enabling you to have a healthy heart, but it's also a fantastic protein source for those who do not eat meat. If you haven't checked out my full day of eating, I highly suggest you check it out. When I cook my salmon, I usually cook it within an air fryer. Not only is it easy to make, but it comes out absolutely juicy, tender, and tastes absolutely banging. So if you haven't checked it out, make sure you check out the full day of eating. But in terms of building muscle, salmon, I would say, is a key source of protein. So make sure you include salmon within your diet plan. And my final food of the day in terms of building muscle are eggs. Eggs provide a valuable source of quality protein, while also containing 13 essential vitamins and minerals alongside necessary omega-3 fatty acids. They can be cooked in a variety of different ways, i.e. boiled, fried, scrambled, etc. For me personally, I would eat literally 3 eggs each morning alongside a cup of coffee. That was enough to keep me feeling full up until lunchtime. I would highly recommend you include eggs. Okay, my good people, that is all from me for today. Those were my 5 foods that has enabled me to build muscle and stay lean all year round. Like I previously said, if you're new to the channel, please ensure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below. If you're someone who's come back for the channel before, but you have yet to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. We're looking to hit that 1,000 mark by the end of the year. But until next time, stay blessed, stay motivated, get them gains.
Wait, lots of walking in the right place for hope and both. Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.